दुसरो जो प्रश्न आसा आनी जो खूब जाण विचारतात आनी म्हाका दिसता तुजेर सगळ्यांत व्हडली जी जबाबदारी आसतली ती हांव खुबशा भारतीय जनता पार्टीच्या लिडरां कडेन उलयतां. इलेक्शना पयलीं उलयतालो, वोटिंगाच्या उपरांत उलयतालो, रिजल्टाच्या उपरांत उलयलो. तांची एक कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल आशिल्लो विच इज अ व्हेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग. आनी एक अध्यक्ष म्हणून आयचे घडयेक तुमकां तो सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचो. ते म्हणटाले की पेडण्यां काँग्रेस खंय आसा, दिवचले काँग्रेस खंय आसा, सत्तरी काँग्रेस खंय आसा, फोंड्यां मातशी आसा, मायनींग बेल्टा भितर खंय आसा, काणकोण खंय आसा. सो तांचो एक जो कॉन्फिडन्स येतालो की आमी मॅक्झिमम सिट्स जिखतले इन स्पायट ऑफ द एंटी इनकम्बन्सीज. काँग्रेसीचें जें अस्तित्व आहा तें गोंयच्या आज अरावंड 8 तालुक्यां भितर दिश्टी पडप कुस्तार जाता. हाव आर यू गोइंग टू टॅकल दॅट?
See, as I said, I don't want to talk about past.
No, but that is the reality.
Yeah, I mean, all things I can't confess in front of camera.
I agree. But then that is going to be your biggest challenge.
Obviously, you're absolutely right. We have to understand one thing, that BJPचे जर तुम्ही voting pattern for last 2-3 elections पळयलें तर the vote share is not, I mean, vote share तांचो fix आसा. And I think the main reason is their cadre, their organization. My main focus is going to be, see, हांवें बारीकसो अभ्यास केला. I mean, after taking over this presidentship, 37 जाग्याचेर we had fielded candidates. So out of 37, 26 places काँग्रेसीन जवळ 34.5% vote share काढला. Whereas vis-a-vis in those 26, BJP is about 29%. That means Congress has a strong hold in 26 constituencies. Now we have got about 11 seats from that 26. Marginally we have lost few, I mean, which are on, I mean, tell you, I mean, Sankli we lost, Kurchore we lost, Vedi we lost. For that matter, even Ponda also, Kankon also. So focus will be to strengthen this 26, make sure that आमचे organization समज जर तर weak असा booth level, strengthen that, and then go to those balance 11 आणि 3 आम्ही गोवा फॉरवर्डाक दिल्ले. जसे तुम्ही म्हणलं की आमचे आता मांद्र्यांत म्हणा किंवा पेडणे म्हणा किंवा बिचोले, थिवी, प्रियोल, सत्तरी तालुका जंय आमचे, आय मीन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ वोट शेअर तुम्ही पळयत जाल्यार आमचे प्रेझेन्स दिसना. कित्याक बाकीच्या 11 जाग्यार वी हॅव गॉट अबाउट 4.7% वोट शेअर, विच इज व्हेरी व्हेरी, आय मीन, इट्स वी हॅव लॉस्ट अवर डेपॉझिट ऑल्सो. So the main idea is that to build a strong organization, build a strong cadre. So my idea is that 2024 आणि 2027 when we will head to elections, hope so की ताच्या पयलीं समज कितें जायना जाल्यार, so we have got about 5 years time, and I'm sure and I'm confident that we will build a strong cadre base this time Congress party. आणि this time the mantra is that आम्ही Congress as a पक्ष will go to the people. प्रत्येक तालुक्यान, प्रत्येक गावान, प्रत्येक municipality म्हणा, so all across Goa we will go, we'll meet people, we'll have conversations. आणि I think सदांच कितें जाता की इलेक्शन लागीं आयलें की मे बी 6 महिने 8 महिना पयलीं
डॉलर बडी पडटकीर जागी जातात.
Wake up. One thing I can assure you, that right from the time I've taken over, the tempo is going to be same for next 5 years. I mean, you will see Congress as a opposition party in the assembly. I mean, we have got about 11 candidates plus supported by 4 other, I mean, Goa Forward, RG and AAP. So these 15 people are actually the voice of 67% of the people of Goa, and which is a very strong voice. So I am sure that फुडल्या 5 वर्सांक opposition is going to, keep government always on the check.
First opportunity of that is panchayat election.